Hello, welcome to this gentle yoga flow. It is a slow and steady practice intended for complete beginners. When you're ready, let's start in a seated position. You can choose any sitting position that you like. You can use a cushion as well. Hands on the knees, eyes closed. We will start by rolling your head in a clockwise motion. As you move, bring your attention to your breath. Making mindful movements, releasing tension with your exhale. Let's change direction. And then bring your head back into neutral. Open your eyes. Rest the right fingertips by your right side. And as you walk as far right as comfortable with your left sit bone grounded, extend the left arm along the ear, turn the face and chest up. And let's just release and exhale all the tension. One more breath, inhaling through the nose. Exhaling, intentionally try and exhale tension. Now windmill your arms, change sides. Left arm to your left, walk onto the fingertips. Keep your right sit bone grounded and reach with your right arm along the face to the left. With each exhale, you go a little bit further. Turn the face and chest up. One more breath. Exhale and release. Now using your arms for momentum, come back to center. With a deep inhale, you will bring your arms up, look up. And with your exhale, you turn to your right, left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. And we'll progressively turn to our right with each exhale. Sit up tall with the inhale. Extend through the whole spine, back of the neck included. And then gently pressing onto your hands, try and reach a little bit further in your twist with your exhale. One more breath. Exhale and release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, the other side to your left. Pressing the right hand on the outside of your left knee. Progress with your breath. You may turn the face and look beyond your left shoulder as well, if your neck allows. One more breath. And exhaling, come back to center. Swing your legs around and come to all fours. Hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Pay attention to your alignment. Spread your fingers wide. And let's press our hands firmly onto the floor as we draw a circle with our body. And you go as wide as you can with your hands firmly grounded. And then you go maybe buttocks to heels. Shoulders can go beyond the wrist, past the wrist. Change direction. One more. Then you will come back to center. Make sure your alignment is still good. And let's move into cats and cow pose. So you inhale, arch your back, look up, push the chest up. Exhale, round your spine, push the shoulder blades to the ceiling, look at the belly. And let's continue. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Few more times at the pace of your breath. Inhale. And exhale into cats. Let's go back to a neutral position. Now you will move your hands a little bit further forward, like 5 inches. And as you move your buttocks down, make a line from the shoulders to the back of the knees. Bend the elbows to the chest. Go lie down on the belly slowly, slowly. And then align your elbows with your shoulders, forearms pressing the floor, pubic bone pressing the floor, top of the feet pressing the floor. Lift the chest and breathe. Sphinx pose. If the lower back is a bit weak, press your pubic bone even more into the floor. Or maybe move your elbows a little bit forward. One more breath. 2 more breaths, sorry. Push the chest up. And then slowly release the forehead towards the floor, the hands by the side of the shoulders. Return to tabletop. Now keep your hips above your knees and then walk your hands forwards as far as you can. Arch your back. Allow the heart center to drop to the floor, and maybe you want to place your forehead down or your chin. Move into puppy pose slowly. Lift yourself back into tabletop, bringing the hands close to the under the shoulders. And then inhale, right arm opens to the right side, chest twists to your right. And as you exhale, thread your right arm under the left, go place your right shoulder down. Now you can keep your left hand where it is or extend it to the top of the mat. We're going to pause here for a few breaths. You want to push into the floor with the right shoulder and arm to twist your chest to your left. And again, use your breath to move. Don't push or force. Release and deepen the pose. Let's go back to center into all fours and go to the other side. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, thread the left arm onto the right. Place the left shoulder down. Rest your head as well. Keep your right hand where it is or move it all the way to the top of the mat. You can close the eyes. Focus on your breathing. Use it to move into the pose. Let's go back to tabletop. And now we're going to sit in the kneeling position. So I'm going to face you. And you're going to sit both sit bones to your left, and then extend the right arm to the right and the left arm also to the right above the face. So here again, we release with the breath wherever you feel tension, blockage, resistance. One more breath. Exhale out. Inhale to center. And let's go to the other side. Your buttocks to your right. Extend the left arm towards the floor to the left. Right arm along the face to the left as well. And we breathe into this pose. One more breath in. Deeply breathing through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. And let's relax the right arm by the side and then extend your legs in front of you. Keep your knees bent. Adjust your sit bones to keep them perpendicular to the floor. Hold your spine straight, shoulders back, and then bring your soles of the feet together to form like a diamond shape with your legs. You can bring your feet as close as you wish. Maybe you want to keep them far. Just find the best position for you today to be able to let go your upper body down. Just aiming to release. There's no place to reach, but rather a state to feel. With each exhale, you want to just let go further wherever you feel the body resists. And now you're going to slowly come back up. One vertebra at a time, head up last. Keep your legs in this diamond shape. Come and lie down on your back. Slowly. Once you lie down, you're going to extend the arms along the body or onto your belly and chest. And then focus on your breathing. Feeling the sensation in your chest, in your belly, in your throat. At any time, you can release the legs and extend them, keeping the feet wide apart. However, if you feel comfortable with the diamond shape, you're welcome to stay there. And let's finish our practice with a short Shavasana. You can keep your hands on the belly or lengthen the arms along the body. Now bring awareness back to the breath again. Take a deep breath through the nose. As you exhale, start moving your toes and fingers. And take a Big stretch of the whole body by extending arms behind head and pointing the toes one way, stretching fingers the other way. Bend the knees, bring the knees to the chest, roll to one side. When you're ready, join me in a seated position. Choose your position for your legs. Spine is straight. Eyes are closed. Let's take a moment to savor the sensations around the body. And now you may gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining this class, beginner class. I hope you learned things and that you are feeling good and maybe want to do some more yoga. So I hope to see you again soon. Take care.